pictures of the ducks too, so we can show people.
Yeah. Don't look that way.
Duck duty.
Now let's go over here.
The dog's inside, right? Okay.
Let's go over here. Okay, there's here. Alright, this way. This way. See if there's a duck egg in here. Hey, Dad, look behind there. There's a duck egg in our yard. It's real. I'm not kidding, because of me and the bee. Oh, yeah. Go hatch and dash. Now let's go back to the house.
Okay. There's all the bread we threw out for them, right?
Yep. And there's...
So I guess they're never leaving. We're gonna
Yeah, I
have ducks
guess
all year. All right, let me close this fence.
Okay.
Say bye.
It's not over.
Oh, well, we can put more.
Do you think it's a female or a male?
A man duck egg? I don't know. Maybe they should comment below what they think it will be.
Like, comment below to see what you think it is.
I can't wait to see what they think. I hope it hatches.